Hi there, I'm Alex, the CTO and co-founder of Flare, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set the earliest delivery date a customer can choose, how to set the latest delivery date a customer can choose, how to set available delivery days of the week, and how to block specific delivery days in the calendar. First of all, make sure you've installed the Flare app from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, open the app and begin setup. Complete step 1, which is to add your delivery date picker to your theme. Click on Next and you'll be taken to this step, step 2, where you can configure your calendar. Here, you can choose the earliest available date a customer can choose. In this case, I'm going to say I want them to be able to choose only at least 2 days into the future. And you'll see that as you change this number, there is a calendar preview which will show what the customer sees when they're using the date picker. Next up, how to change the furthest available date that the user can choose. Currently it's 180. I only really want to let people order 14 days ahead. And I've updated that here, and you'll see that it's replicated in the preview. And then we don't deliver on Saturdays or Sundays. So in the third option field here, choose available delivery days. I'm going to cross out Sunday, cross out Saturday. Now you'll see that only Monday through Friday is available for delivery. And then you're done. You can click on Next and continue through the setup. Once you've finished setup, if you want to edit the calendar configuration, open your Flare app and click on the calendar configuration page in the bottom left. Once done, you'll see similar settings that we saw earlier. There are a couple more that are worth noting. If you want to block specific dates in the calendar, you can do it in the blocked dates section. To do this, click on Add Block Dates, and we want to apply it to all dates. And the date we want to block is, say, the 25th of June, because we don't deliver on that days. So click on Pick a Date, and then hover over 25th of June, click Add Date, and you'll see this be added to the blocked dates list. And you'll also see in the preview that that date has been blocked. Now, you can also add a range of block dates. So let's say, for example, we're actually out and not delivering from the week of the 21st of June. You can add a range and go from the 23rd to, let's say, the 27th, and add that range. And you can see that range has been added in the block dates list below. And then you can see in the preview that is also updated. So once you're happy with these, you can click on Save in the top right. And now what you can do is that will be reflected on your live site for customers to see. So if I go to my product page, for example, I refresh the page, you can see now that today's the 18th, so I'm only able to order at least 2 days in advance, the 20th. And then obviously, as we blocked out the 23rd to the 27th, all those days are blocked, but the following Monday is unblocked. So that's how you do some simple calendar configuration, such as choosing the earliest available date a customer can choose, the latest date they can choose, block specific delivery days, and choose what days of the week are available for delivery. Thank you very much.